This is on a Ford F-150 pickup. This is pretty typical what they look like when you find them. The stud fix will slide right on there after I burn that stud off, and makes a pretty simple job out of this. Otherwise, you can see how full and complicated it is in here. First, we got to remove that stud. You can do it with a cutting torch, a Dremel tool, a Sawzall. I'm going to remove this with a cutting torch because it's the easiest thing I have here. Okay, this is what it looks like with the stud removed. The old stud, we're still leaving the rest of it in there up above, and we'll use that to hook the stud fix over. I'm now going to install the stud fix. You snug one side up. Let's get the other one started. Okay, let's get the other side started. Shut it off.